Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see numbers up to 1000 for year 2 students. Let's see that how to complete the number patterns. Let's get started. Numbers up to 1000. Complete the number patterns. Let's see the pattern here. The first number is 16, then 26, then 36, then dash, dash and then 66. Can you see the pattern here? If we see the first number and the second number, and can you see that this number is increasing? This is 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then it goes till 6. This ones place number is the same, 666. So after 1 it is 2 and then 3. After 3 what is the number? 4. So our number will be 46 here. Next number after 4 is 5, right? So it will be 56. These are the two missing numbers you will have. Let's see the second question here. Dash 70, 80, 90, dash 110, 120. If you know the counting, this is 70, 80, 90. After 90 what comes? After 90 is 100. Let's write down 100 here. What number will come here? Before 70. What is the number comes before 70? Can you see that here? This is 987. If you know the numbers in the decreasing order, it will go 987 and after that 6, right? So our number will be here 60. These are the two missing numbers. Let's see the next example here. 230 dash 430, 530, 730. As you can see that this 30 at the ones and the tens place is the same. There is no change here. So my numbers must have 30. Let's see the hundreds place number here. This is 2. After that dash, then it is 4 and 5. Can you see that this is 4 and then after that it is 5. After 5 what is there? After 5 it is 6. Let's write down here 630. Let's see the first number here, 2. After 2, it is 3. So, our missing number will be 330. Let's see the next example here. Dash 461, 471, 481, 491 and dash. As you can see that this number 4 is the same. So, our number here at the hundreds place will be 4. This is 61, then it is 71, then 81, 91. As you can see from here, if you see the ones place here, ones place is 1 only. Can we write down here first? My 100 place number is 4 and the ones place number is 1. That is fixed because 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. That is fixed. The number decreases from 9, 8, 7, 6. After that what? 5, right? Let's write down here 5. My number will be 451. After 491. Can you see the gap here? What is the gap? This is 471. This is 481. If you find out the difference here, 481 minus of 471, if we do the subtraction, 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. My number is 10. That means the difference between both the numbers is positive 10. If I add 491 plus 10, what will be my answer? Let's add it here. 491 plus 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, which is 0 here. 1 carry over and 4 plus 1 is 5. 501. My next number will be 501. Let's see the next example here. 987 dash 787, 687 dash and 487. Can you see that here the ones place and the tens place number is the same in all the numbers we have. Can we write down here 87 and 87? Let's see the pattern here. This is 4. This is in the decreasing order. Can you see that here at the hundreds place? This is 9 and then 7, 6. If it is 7 and 6, the next number will be 5, right? So it will be 5 here. If I look at this number, before 9 it will be 8, right? So this will be 887 and 587 will be our missing numbers. Let's see the next example here. Dash 890, 880 dash 860, 850. Can you see the pattern here? 860 and 850. The number is reducing. Can we see the difference here? How much is the difference? Let's calculate the difference here. 860 minus 850. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 8 minus 0 is 0. The difference is 10. If we look at this pattern, if we go in this direction, this is 850, then it is plus 10, it will be 860. If I do plus 10 also here, after 60 it will be 70. My number will be 870 here. Next number is 880. After that 890. After that I need to add 10 more. Let's add 10 more in our number. 890 plus 10. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0, 1 carry over and it is 900. My answer will be here 900. Let's see the next example here. 715, 713, 711 dash dash 705. This number is reducing. This is 715 and then 713. So the numbers are reducing. Can we see the difference between 715 and 713? Let's calculate that. 715 minus 713. 5 minus 3 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. The difference is 2. You are reducing the number by 2. Before that it was 5, then it is 3 and then it is 1. After that I need to reduce the number by 2. 711 minus 2. That I need to calculate that. Let's write down here 711 minus 2. How do we calculate it? Let's take the carryover from here. This will be 0 and this will be 11. 11 minus 2 how much? 11 minus 2 is 9. Let's write down 9 here. 0 and 7. My number is 709. Let's write down the here 709. Let's calculate the next number by subtracting 2 inside it. 709 minus 2. Let's do it here. 709 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 0 and 7. 707. My next missing number is 707. Let's see the next example here. Dash, dash, 900, 850, 800, 750. Can you see the pattern here? This number is reducing. First it was 900, then 850, 800 and 750. Can we see the difference between 900 and 850? Let's calculate that. 900 minus of 850. 0 minus 0 is 0. From 0 you can't subtract 5. So we will take the carryover from here and it will be 8 here and this will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 8 is 0. My difference is 50. If we look at in this order, the number is increased by 50. First it was 750, then 800, then 850 and then 900. I need to add 900 plus 50. Let's calculate that. How much will be my answer? 900 plus 50. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5 and this is 9. My answer is 950 here. 950 again I have to add 50. Let's add it here. 950 plus 50. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10, 0 here, 1 carryover, 9 plus 1 is 10. My number is 1000. Let's write down here 1000. That will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.